Hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to use the healing tool to get rid of unwanted objects. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And let's say, I have this picture right here where, as you see, I accidentally erased something, or let's just say I wanted to get rid of one of these things or anything like that. So on the left side here, I click on my toolbox, I click on the healing tool, I click on the area I want to heal from, and then I draw over the other area. So as you see, that area is not working because it doesn't work for everything for whatever reason. But if I were to, okay, let's say I were to draw over this would work. So let's go ahead and zoom into that. As you see, if I grab with my healing tool and drag up into the area that's affected, it will gradually go ahead and heal it. In my opinion, I'd rather just use a lot of the other things. This isn't so accurate, in my opinion at least. And it doesn't always work, I've found. So make sure I got the right thing selected. As you see, and it heals really slowly. It's not something that, in my opinion, is very reliable or useful. So as you see, that's slow. But if I use a spray paint tool and use my color picker, and I pick the color, and then I just like spray painted it in, and like I use the color picker, pick another color from the area, maybe a little more hardness, a little bit more size, spray painted that in. Like, look at how much more better that is. So I'll leave it up to you if you want to use the healing tool yourself, but there's not many situations where it's going to be helpful, at least that I've noticed. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching.